Hello dear students, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gizla. Now in previous two videos I had already explained about identity 1 to 5 which were used to solve binomials and trinomials. In this video we are going to learn about identity 6, 7 and 8 which are used for solving cubic polynomials. So let's get started. So now let us start with identity 6. Identity 6 is based on cubic polynomials. What are cubic polynomials? Cubic polynomials are those polynomials having degree 3. That means highest power of the variable in the polynomial will be 3. Therefore the degree is 3. And hence they are called cubic polynomials. Right? Now as you observe over here, x plus y whole cube. These are the factors. X plus y whole cube are the factors. That means if you multiply x plus y 3 times, you will get the product as, this is the product, right? You will get the product as x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Now in the product, if you see 3xy, we can take common. From the middle terms, we can take 3xy common and we are left with x plus y. So the product can also be written in this way: x cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y cube. Right. So this is the identity. Identity says when the factors are x plus y whole cube, then the product is x cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y cube. Now we can have questions based on this identity. There are three types of questions which we can get. One is to expand the factors, right? Another is to factorize. And the third we can get is evaluate. So let us take up each question one by one. So first question which we can get is write the following cube in the expanded form, right? These are the factors given. These are the factors and we have to expand them. That means we have to find their product. Now if you compare it with our identity x plus y whole cube, you will observe that your 5x is what? It is your x and 3y is your y. So we can say that x is equal to 5x, y is equal to 3y. Accordingly, you can expand it, right? Expanded it in the product form. So product says x cube. First is x cube, that is 5x whole cube. Then it says 3xy. So 3 into x, x is 5x, into y, y is 3y. In bracket x plus y, that is 5x plus 3y, right? And plus y cube. And what is your y? Y is your 3y. So 3y whole cube. Now further solve it. 5x cube means what? When you are doing 5x whole cube, it means that you have to find 5 cube also and x cube also, right? So 5 cube is what? 125 and x cube, you will write x cube. So 5x cube becomes 5x whole cube becomes 125x cube. Right, this is very important point, that when you are finding the whole cube, that means you have to also find the cube of 5 also and x also, right? Now further 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 3, 45 and x into y. So 45xy, 5x plus 3y as it is. Now 3y whole cube, that means 3 cube and y cube. So 3 cube is 27, y cube. Now further we will simplify the brackets. So 125x cube as it is. 45 into 5 you will get 225. X into x will become x square, right? That's why x square has come, and y. And now 45 into 3 you will get 135. X as it is, and y into y you will get y square, and 27 y cube. So this is the product which we have got after expanding the factors. Expanding the factors means you are multiplying the factors 3 times. 5x plus 3y into 5x plus 3y into 5x plus 3y. If you do it, but over here, instead of doing the whole process of multiplying the three factors, we are just using the identity to get the product of these factors, right? So this is the answer. Now second type of question where the product is given. Now this product same I have taken over here. The answer of question number 1 is now the question of this question number 2. Right? Now it has become the question. Are you getting? So over here the product is whatever the product has come, I have made it the question. And I'm saying now factorize it. That means find its factors. So let us start. So the question is 125x cube plus 225x square y plus 135xy square plus 27y cube. Now over here if you compare it with the product, first one is x cube, right? So we should write 125x in the form of x cube. And what is our x? X is our 5x, right? So because 125 we know that it is a cube of 5. So 5x cube. 27y cube. Now come over here. 27y cube. Isn't 27 cube of 3? So we can say y is 3y. So 3y whole cube. In the middle, we should have 3 into x square into y. If you compare it with the identity, 3x square y, right? 3x square y. After that, we have 3x y square. So write down accordingly 3 into x into y square, right? Then we have y cube, and y cube is 3y whole cube. Right, now simplify, or you can take over here common also, because like the way in the identity I have explained that 3xy can be taken common. In the same way over here we have taken common. So 5x whole cube plus 3 into x into y, which is 5x and 3y, and x is 5x and y is 3y. So sum of that plus we have 3y whole cube, which is actually y cube. So when the identity is in the form of this kind, then its factors are 5x plus 3y whole cube. The moment you identify your x and y, you know that your factors will be 5x plus 3y whole cube. Your factors are always x plus y whole cube, right? Okay, so these are the two types. One is if the factors are given, you are finding the product. Second type is when product is given, you are finding the factors. Now we come to the third type. Now using the same identity, we have to evaluate 104 whole cube. Yes, the question is evaluate using suitable identity. So 104 whole cube can be written as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Now isn't it resembling identity 6, which says x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, right? So 104 whole cube we have written in the form of 100 plus 4 whole cube. Now clearly x is 100, y is 4, right? If you compare it, this is your x, this is your y. Now according to the identity, the factors are this. What is the product? Product is x cube. First is x cube, right? That means 100 cube. Then you can directly take 3xy over here. So 3 into 100 into y and x plus y, that is 100 plus 4 and y cube. This actually simplifies the calculation when we take 3xy common. Now 100 cube is what? 10 lakhs. And 3 into 100 into 4, you will get 1200, and 100 plus 4 is 104. And 4 cube is 64. Now further simplify. 10 lakhs plus 1200 into 104, you will get 1,24,800 plus 64. Further, you will get 11 lakhs 24,864. So this is the final answer. This is how we have evaluated 104 cube using the identity. That means instead of doing the normal multiplication of 104 multiplying 3 times, yes, multiplying 3 times, what we are doing? We are using the identity to solve it, right? And we are getting the product as 11,24,864, right? Now let us learn about identity 7. Identity 7 is same as identity 6. The only difference is of plus and minus. In identity 6 we had x plus y whole cube. Here we are having x minus y whole cube, whose product is x cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube. One is plus, one is minus, one is plus, one is minus. Right, this is the product, these are the factors. That means x minus y whole cube means you are multiplying x minus y 3 times. Right, that's why it is raised to power 3. Now if you take 3xy common, minus 3xy common in the middle, you'll, in bracket you will get x minus y and minus y cube as it is. Right, so this is another way of writing the product. Always remember, over here only the first term is positive, rest all are negative over here. Now again, three types of questions we can get. One is to expand the factors, another is to factorize, and another is to evaluate. Right. So let us start with the first type of question, where they are saying write the following cube in the expanded form. So these are the factors which we have to expand, or you can say we have to find the product. Raised to power 3 means you are multiplying the same thing 3 times. Right? Now instead of multiplying it binomial into binomial into binomial, we are just using the identities to solve it. It becomes very easy. And as I said, it is same as identity 6, only difference is plus and minus. Right, now let us start. If you have the question 5x minus 3y whole cube, naturally your x is 5x and y is 3y. So identity says whenever you have 5x minus 3y whole cube as factors, so the product will be, what is the product? Product is this x cube minus 3xy, x minus y minus y cube. Now put the values over here. X is 5x, y is 3y. So first is x cube, that is 5x whole cube, minus 3xy. So 3 into 5x into 3y. In bracket you have x minus y. So you will write 5x minus 3y. Now minus y cube, that means minus 3y whole cube. Right, now you will write 5x whole cube is 125x cube. Now 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 3, 45xy. So minus 45xy, 5x minus 3y, minus 27y cube, because 3 cube is 27, y cube, y cube. So minus, and everywhere it is minus. Now you open the bracket. So 125x cube minus 225x square y plus 135xy square minus 27y cube. It is same product as we got in identity 6. Right, but only difference is 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus. Only the signs have changed, rest all the terms are same. Right, now this is the product we have got. Right, we were given the factors in this first question, we were given the factors, and what we found the product. Right, now in the second question example, you can say product is given, the same product I have taken. Now they are saying factorize it. Factorize means what? You have to find its factors. You have to find its factors. So let us start. When you have 125x cube, that you can write as 5x whole cube. Right? When you have minus 27y cube, isn't it 3y whole cube? Right, because 27 is a cube number, 125 is a cube number of 5, 27 is a cube number of 3. So once this is clear, your x and y are clear, you can simply say that your x is 5x and y is your 3y. And in the middle you have what? Minus 3x square y. So minus 3x square y, that is minus 3 into 5x whole square into 3y. Then you have 3x y square. Right, so accordingly you will write 3 into 5x into 3y whole square. Right, these are the middle terms. Now you can take 3xy common. Right, and in between you have x minus y. X is your 5x, y is your minus 3, and this is same, 5x whole cube and 3y whole cube are same. Right, so when you have identified your x and y and you have written the product in this form, so its factors will be 5x minus 3y whole cube. Basically, see, factors are in the first question, factors are given, you are finding the product. That means left hand side was given, you were finding the right hand side of the identity. Now over here, right hand side is given in the second question and you are finding the, what you are finding? You are finding the left hand side. So isn't it the left hand side of the identity, right? You started with right hand side. You started with right hand side and you got the left hand side, right? So when you identified your x and y, you can find the factors very easily. It is 5x minus 3y whole cube. Now we move to the third type of question. Now in third type of question, we are given evaluate using suitable identity. So 99 whole cube we have to evaluate using suitable identity. 99 whole cube means what? That you have to basically multiply 99 three times, right? It will be very complicated if we go manually 99 into 99 into 99. So we are just simply, we have to use identity 7 to solve it, right? How? 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. Isn't it resembling our x minus y whole cube, right? Where x is 100 and y is 1. This is our x, this is our y. So x minus y whole cube. So when the factors are x minus y whole cube, that is 100 minus 1 whole cube, we can find the product by using the identity. Product says it is x cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y cube. So accordingly, we will put over here the values. X is your 100. So first is 100 cube. Then you have minus 3xy. So minus 3 into x. X is 100 into y. Y is 1. Then you have x minus y. So 100 minus 1 minus 1 whole cube. Now 100 cube is 10 lakh. Minus 3 into 100 is 300. 100 minus 1 is 99. And 1 cube is 1. So outside it is minus sign. So minus 1. Now further simplify 10 lakhs. 300 into 99, 29,700 minus 1, which is equal to 9,70,299. This is the product. What is this? This is the product. And what was this? This was the, these were the factors. These were the factors. This is the product. Or you can say in terms of identity, this is your left hand side and you have got the right hand side. Right? In terms of identity, if you have to say. So you started with left hand side and you reached right hand side. That means you calculated the product. This is how we evaluate using suitable identity. Now let us learn about eighth identity, where factors if are x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. If these are the two factors, they are multiplied together, 1 multiplied by 2, then you get this product as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Right? That means your factors are your left hand side and your product gives you right hand side. Right? Like suppose I say 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So 5 and 7 are the two factors of 35. In the same way, if I have two factors x plus y plus z and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, these are the two factors. So the product is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now other way around, question can be either factors are given, you are finding the product, or product becomes your left hand side. Product is given in the question and you are asked to find the factors. So factors will become your right hand side. So same thing, product has come on the left hand side and the factors have gone on the right hand side. So these two type of questions we can get. Either in the question we can get the factors, we have to find the product, or product is given, we have to factorize it by finding the factors. In the same way as 35 is given to us and we are saying that 35 is equal to 5 into 7. Right? Here 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Factors are given, we are saying it, the product is 35. Here product is given 35, we are saying the factors are 5 and 7. Right? Let us start with the questions. Now the question is, find the product when 2a plus 3b plus 4c is multiplied to 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square minus 6ab minus 12bc minus 8ca. The moment you see such long factors, you should know that it is your identity 8, right? Now these are the factors. You have to find the product. Product is your this according to identity 8. Now over here we have to identify what is your x, y and z. Once you get your x, y, z, the product becomes very easy to find, right? Now x, y, z automatically you will get from one of the factors, right? Because x, y plus z, x plus y plus z, it was already there in one of the factors. From here itself you will get the value of what is your x, what is your y and what is your z. So isn't your x 2a and y 3b and z 4c? Right? From the first factor itself, we will get what is your x, y and z. Now further you can also write it in this form of factors 2a plus 3b plus 4c. The question is given to us, and further little bit simplify this bracket. 4a square can be written as 2a whole square, 3b whole square, then 16c square is 4c whole square, then minus 6ab you can further split it as minus 2a into 3b, minus 12bc can be split as minus 3b into 4c, minus 8ca can be split as minus 4c into 2a, right? So when we have such factors, right, two factors, right, in such form, then the product is x cube. That means what is x? X is our 2a. So 2a whole cube. Then we have plus y cube. Then we have plus y cube. Y is what? 3b. So 3b whole cube. Now next is z cube. So z is what? 4c. So isn't it 4c whole cube? And then we have minus 3xyz. So 3 into x. X is 2a. Y is 3b. Z is 4c. Right? So this is the product. These were the factors. This was the question given to us, which we wrote in the expanded form. We have split to show that it is actually xy, yz, zx. So we have split it to just show that these are the two factors which are given according to identity 8, and this is the product. Product is x cube. This is our x cube. This is our y cube, and this is our z cube. And this is our minus x, y, and z. Further, now you can little bit simplify it. 2a whole cube means 2 cube and a cube. So 8a cube. 3b whole cube means 3 cube and b cube. So 27b cube. 4c whole square whole cube means 64c cube. Then 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 4 is 72. A, B, C. So A into B into C. So this is your product, final product which you have got, right? Or you can say this is your right hand side of the algebraic identity. You started with left hand side and you reached right hand side. Left hand side were your factors and your product you have got on the right hand side. Right? This is one type of question where factors are given, you are finding the product. Now let us take second type of question where we have to factorize 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 64c cube minus 72abc. Now if you observe this product, this is the product which we have to factorize. That means we have to find its factors. This resembles the identity 8, right? It clearly resembles identity 8. Now let us start with this product and write 8a cube as 2a whole cube. Right? 27b cube can be written as 3b whole cube. 64c cube can be written as 4c whole cube because we have to resemble it to this identity. So according to identity this we can have 2a whole cube, 3b whole cube, 4c whole cube. Further it says minus 3xyz. Right? What is your x? Clearly x is your 2a. So 3 into 2a. Y is your 3b. So you can write 3b. And z is your 4c. So into 4c. So over here we have taken x as 2a, y as 3b and z as 4c. Right? This is the product. Again I am repeating, this is the product. We have to factorize it. Factorize means find its factors. Factors are what? X plus y plus z is one of the factors. The second factor is this, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Once you have identified what is your x, y and z, you can now find the factors using x, y, z. So first is x plus y plus z. That means 2a plus 3b plus 4c. This is one of the factor. Second factor, you will write x square. X square means 2a whole square. Y square is 3b whole square. Z square is 4c whole square. Then you have minus xy. So you will write minus 2a into 3b. Minus yz, you will write minus 3b into 4c. Then you have minus zx. So minus 4c into 2a. Now further simplify it. So first factor 2a plus 3b plus 4c as it is. 2a whole square is 4a square, 4a square. 3b whole square is 9b square. 4c square is 16c square. Make sure that when you are writing whole square of certain number, you have to square the coefficient also. So it is actually 2 square and a square. That's why it is 4a square. Similarly over here it is 3 square and b square. Here it is 4 square and c square. This is the common mistake which children do, right? So be very careful with that. Now minus 2 into 3 is 6. So minus 6ab. Minus 3 into 4 is 12bc and minus 4 into 2 is minus 8ca. These are the factors which we have got. Factors, or you can say now we have reached the right hand side of the identity. We started with left hand side, which was the product, and we reached the right hand side which had the factors. So these are the two factors, right? Now there is one more type of question which can be asked to factorize x cube plus y cube plus z cube when you have x plus y plus z equal to 0. Then what happens? Then how will you factorize it? So the formula says x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3x into y into z. When you have x plus y plus z equal to 0, then it is simply, if when you factorize it, you will get 3xyz. How it is possible? Here we are again using identity 8. So okay, over here we are using identity 8 only. If you remember, the product was x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, right? And we had these factors x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now they are saying if your x plus y plus z becomes 0, that means one of the factor is 0. This whole thing becomes 0, right? So over here, if you write the factors, this is your left hand side, right? And this is your right hand side. On the right hand side, one of the factor has become 0. So naturally the whole of the right hand side will become 0. This right hand side has become 0. Left hand side is as it is, which is the product. Which was the product, it is as it is. It has, the entire product has become equal to 0 because one of the factor turned 0, right? So now take minus 3xyz on the other side, on the right hand side. So we can say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube, isn't it equal to 3xyz? And this is what we have proved. We have proved this formula, right? That formula says that when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So this we have proved. And this formula we are going to use for factorization. Let us take up a question. Now in the question they say factorize 2x minus y whole cube plus y minus 3z whole cube plus 3z minus 2x whole cube. Okay. So over here we have to factorize this. The formula is, when we have cube of x cube, y cube, z cube, the formula says that it is 3xyz only when x plus y plus z is 0. We don't know whether x plus y plus z is 0, right? If you compare this formula with this question, you will observe this is your x. This first thing is your x, this is your y, and this is your z, right? So accordingly, we can say 2x minus y is your x, y minus 3z is your y, and 3z minus 2x is your z. Right, this is clear. Now let us see whether x plus y plus z is coming 0 or not. So x is what? 2x minus y is y minus 3z, and z is 3z minus 2x. If you observe, all this will cancel. 2x with minus 2x, minus y, minus 3z and plus 3z. All are cancelling and you are left with 0. So hence our condition is fulfilled that x plus y plus z is equal to 0. When it is 0, then the formula says that your x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 into x into y into z. That is what is written over here. Now put the values. So 3 into x is 2x minus y is y minus 3z, and z is 3z minus 2x. Right? So this is our answer. These are the factors. This is how we have factorized. Instead of writing multiplication sign in between, we can just put brackets. So this is how we have factorized the product. Product was in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube, and the factors we got in the form of 3xyz. Right? So this is it, children. Hope you have understood all these identities 6, 7 and 8 which are used to solve cubic polynomials. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.